welcome back to another video. We are going to do another TikTok tutorial on how to do smoother transitions. Guys, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button if you like these transition videos. I do a ton of videos on my TikTok. And I didn't mean to say transition videos. I do more than transition videos. I also do tutorials on how to grow your followers too and how to get verified. Okay, I'm ranting. I'm gonna start this video. The first thing I would do is keep your hand moving steady. Don't go crazy with the transitions. Try to go nice and slow and treat it like a delicate little flower. Just go and then transition it and then go from there, pretty much. The second thing I would do is music and timing. Music is so important for a transition video. Choose the right music with a lot of beats and you'll be all set. The other thing that correlates with that is also timing. Timing and music are so good together because if you get the timing right on the beat, it helps it a lot with the transition moving a lot smoother and more freely. The last and final tip I have for you guys to make smoother transitions is practice. The more you practice, the more your hand will hurt, but you know what? To make a good TikTok video, you need a lot of practice. And this is not a full transition video, but I do have a bunch of videos like that on my channel if you want to see more transition videos. This is just making it more smoother and flowing, right? These are just the tips for that. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today, and that is it, Carolyn crew, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, shout out to all these people on my TikTok that followed me, and if you want a shout out, make sure to comment your Musical.ly name in the comments below. Musical.ly, TikTok, whatever you call it. Make sure to put that in the comments below, your username, and yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I will see you guys next Friday. Yeah. Bye. Side note, if I don't post Friday, I'm sorry. It'll be up sometime. My New Year's resolution is to make this work, so we're making this work. It's gonna be every Friday. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Bye.